I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me.
Hello everyone, it's Alex and welcome back to my Power Yoga series. Today's video is just going to be a quick little Vinyasa warm-up. This video is perfect to do before any lengthy, more intense workout, or if you're just waking up in the morning and you want to warm up those muscles and stretch out the body. You need no equipment, just a mat and a little bit of floor space, so if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. If you are unable to join me for this workout right now, go ahead and save this video to your watch later, that way you can come back and join me whenever you have time. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started seated in a cross-legged position at the very center of your mat. So find a comfortable position, place your palms of your hands on top of your knees. We're just going to take a nice big deep inhale through the nose to really open up our lungs. So whenever you're ready, go ahead and inhale through the nose. And exhale. Roll those shoulders down, start to relax your upper body. And again, inhale. And exhale. Roll those shoulders back. Good, one more time. Inhale. And exhale. Put a smile on your face. Let's go ahead and get started. You're going to inhale, reach those arms up towards the sky. And on your exhale, you can pick either side, but drop one hand down towards the mat as you reach that other arm up above your head. Give yourself a nice big side body stretch here. So you're trying to separate your rib cage from your hip bones, so there's that nice big space, and you're feeling that stretch, that opening of the side body. And you want to make sure that you keep that arm right above your head. You don't want it falling over your face. You want to keep those shoulders open. And if you can, try to relax that other elbow all the way down on the mat. And from here, your drishti or your gaze can either be up at your elbow or down at the mat, and close your eyes, get in tune with your body. Again, keep that breath going here. It's very important to stay connected to your breath. Good, inhale. And exhale, maybe go a little deeper. Beautiful, and then inhale, reach both arms up towards the sky. And exhale, fall over to the other side. So place one elbow on the mat. Reach that top arm up and above your head. Feel that nice big stretch. Oof. Good. Inhale and exhale. Make sure you're keeping that opposite sit bone down on the ground. Yeah, so whatever arm is up, you want to keep that sit bone firmly placed on the mat. You don't want to be lifting it up. So you're really getting the full benefit of this stretch. Good. Just keep breathing here. One more breath, inhale. And exhale, see if you can go a little bit further. Beautiful, inhale, reach both arms up to the sky. This time, interlace your fingers, flip those palms up so they're facing upwards. Give yourself a nice big stretch here. Inhale, squeeze your shoulders up towards your ears. And exhale, drop those shoulders. One more time, inhale. Squeeze those shoulders up towards your ears, and exhale, release. Good. Exhale, reach those arms out to the side. Just open your arms up towards the sky, giving yourself one last big stretch. Then relax those arms down. Beautiful. We're going to come onto all fours now. So make your way over onto your mat. Make sure your wrist right underneath your shoulder blades. Your knees are right underneath your hip bones. Yeah, good posture. Send energy out through the top of your head and out through your tailbone so you feel that opposition. On your inhale, looking up towards the sky, send that tailbone up high. And exhale, separate those shoulder blades as you push back. Good, and again, flow through this at your own pace. You can go as fast or as slow as you want. Just make this feel really good for your body. Find any areas of tension that you need to squeeze out. And again, don't forget to breathe. We're starting to get in tune with our breath. Good, keep going here. Just inhaling and exhaling. Loosening up the spine. The shoulders. Couple more times here, maybe 2 or 3 more. Good. Last one here. Inhale, reach, looking up towards the sky. And exhale, rounding out the spine. Beautiful. Come back to that neutral spine. Sit back. Try to put your big toes together and open up your knees a little bit as you sit back in child's pose. So you're really sinking deep into those hips. And then from here, reach those arms forward. Take a nice big inhale, look up. And exhale, lower all the way down into your child's pose, trying to get those sit bones down onto the mat, really opening up those hips. If you need to kind of rock side to side here, just to warm up those hip flexors, you may do so. But just keep reaching those arms, those hands far in front of you. And again, just tune in with your breath. Notice how slow or how fast you're breathing. Try to calm it down if you can. Big deep inhale through the nose, exhale out through the mouth as you're reaching those arms forward. So you're stretching out your shoulders, your chest, you're opening up that heart center. Good, inhale. And exhale, reach even further. Good, 2 more times here. Inhale. And exhale. 1 more inhale. Good, on your next exhale, walk your hands over towards the left side of your body just to give yourself another side stretch. So place your left hand down on the floor, stack that right hand on top, and then just pull your right shoulder back so you can feel that opposition. Nice big inhale here. And an exhale. Good, and walk your hands over to the other side. Place that right hand down, stack that left hand on top. Feel that stretch. Good. Inhale here. And an exhale. 1 more time. Inhale. And exhale. Walk those hands back to the center. Take 1 more inhale. And exhale, reach even further. See if you can go even further this time. Try to get that chest all the way down to the mat. Good, and then slowly start to walk your body back up. Bring your knees together, come to a seated position. From here, we're just going to warm up the wrists a little bit. You know, we do all those downward dogs. It's super important to warm up the wrists. So just bring your hands in front of you. You can start to roll your wrist out and away from you. Just a couple times. And then roll them the opposite way. Mine always like to snap, crackle, and pop. That's okay though. Okay, then from here we're going to do 20 fists wrist pump. So you're going to bring your hands in front of you, put them in a fist, and then you're going to quickly open them, kind of giving like a hello in front of you, and then close them back and bring those fingers down. Yeah, so we're going to do that 20 times pretty quick. It's going to warm up those wrists, make them feel a little bit stronger. So here we go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Shake out those wrists. Beautiful. From here, now that we have our wrists nice and warmed up, we're going to come into our downward dog. So just tuck those toes, send those hips up high. You can keep your knees bent to start off with. Our goal here is really just make sure you're pushing those hands into the mat. You're rotating those elbows out and away from you and squeezing your shoulder blades together. And if you want to try to walk out the dog a little bit just to really warm up the back of your legs, you may do so. If you want to just stay here with those bent knees, trying to get that tailbone up towards the sky, that's also okay. Again, make this work for you, make this comfortable for you. This is just about warming up your body. Beautiful. Inhale here and exhale. And again, inhale. And exhale. Good. From here, look to the very top of your mat. Go ahead and take 4 or maybe 6 steps all the way to the top. Good. And then gently forward fold again. You can have your knees bent here just to make sure you keep that flat back. Your chest is resting on your knees. from here, we're going to come to standing. We're going to come all the way up into our Surya Namaskar. So whenever you're ready, roll up, vertebrae by vertebrae. All the way you should come to standing into your Tadasana. Roll those shoulders back. From here on your inhale, reach those arms up towards the sky. And exhale, forward fold. Beautiful. Inhale, coming up halfway. Exhale, place those hands on the mat. Gently step back into your high plank. Inhale here. Exhale, lower down your knees first, your chest, and then your chin. On your inhale, coming up all the way into your upward facing dog. And on your exhale, push back into your downward facing dog. Beautiful. Hold this downward dog for just 3 breaths. Inhale and exhale. Try to straighten your knees all the way if you can this time. Drill those heels into the mat. Inhale and exhale. Last time here. Big deep inhale through the nose. And exhale. Open up that chest, open up that heart center. Beautiful. And then whenever you're ready, go ahead and place those knees back down onto the mat. Sitting up nice and tall. And you are all done. That's it. Just a quick little warm up just to get your body nice and heated up. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you want to check out more of our content or check out my whole Power Yoga series, you can go ahead and download our app, Yoga Plus, which is located in the description below.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the pose library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.